Welcome to FarmLinkr.com, your online farmers marketplace where we link local farmers to greater markets for their fresh produce. In this video, we will show you how to list your products online. So without further ado, let's get to it. We're going to go to Account, go over to Vendor Portal. Before creating your listing, set up your shipping profile. Check out our previous video to get this done. Select Listings. So as you can see, currently we have no active listings. So we'll click this button, Create New Listing. Alright, so this is the fun part. Display images that you select for your products is really important. Select images that are clear, crisp, and beautiful. As you can see, I have already uploaded an image of some Irish potatoes, and I'll just go ahead and put in the title, the category, Now I'm going to select the category. It is also important that you select the correct subcategory for your item, as this will help in correctly placing your item in the search results. Right here you have the stock keeping unit. This is very optional. Also, you can include a YouTube video to showcase the product. So now we are at the description. There must be a product description to describe the product features and why persons should buy from you. So now we're at the meta tag title. Enjoy an added feature that allows you to use keywords that shoppers may include when searching for your listing. For meta tag titles, here you can put the name of your item listed along with important keywords such as buy and online. For example, this title is the one that will be used by search engines to find your item online and represents what persons are likely to search for. In the meta tag description, you may copy and paste part of the description you wrote in your meta tag title, and then add in a few important keywords that will increase relevance for shoppers searching online. Then we will have tags. These are additional words that can help customers to find your item. In this section, you would include the price of the item you are listing, as well as the quantity that is available. If this item is on sale, tick the box where it says, "Is this item on sale?" Also include the sale price. So after you have done so, you can also add a variant if you'd like. So in the shipping tab, you would include the information that you would like your customers to see regarding shipping. In our previous video, we had set up varying shipping profiles. So what you do is select one of your shipping profiles, and the price for that shipping profile will be displayed for your customer. Then you select how many days is required to dispatch your item. Is it 1, 2, or 3 days? In this case, we'll select 2 days. So of course, you would save before proceeding. What's really important is leaving a message that your customers can see under the shipping information. So include messages that are specific to that listing. Messages that apply to the entire store should be entered under the shipping settings section. So after you've written this, you would select publish. Try your best to provide a variety of produce. This will increase the likelihood of customers shopping with you, as it will make your store a one-stop shop. So now we'll actually take a look at the store. Let's refresh this page. Voila! So this is our first listing. Thank you so much for watching.